Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Moondrop Aria in-ear monitors. Now, the price, they're $79.99 on multiple websites. Headphones.com, Amazon, Apple's. Great affordable earbuds. Now, as far as the unboxing, let me go ahead and open these up right here. Got the little waifu on the front. Take this sleeve off. And we got the branding that's on the earbuds themselves. Got Aria's kind of rose gold look. Moondrop right here on this. He's got magnets on the box. You open that up. You got the inner monitors right here. I'll put these to the side for right now. Show what else comes inside the box. Lift open this flap. And you got the little carrying case here. And if you pull this up, which always had trouble opening this, there, some felt. And you pull this out, got another box. Inside here, you basically just have introduction to the earbuds, you know, telling you to fit, all that good stuff. It's a warranty card, and you also get this bag, some tweezers, which are, oh, these are plastic tweezers, okay. And you get multiple sets of filters. So it's pretty nice. Let's see here. Let's go back to the carrying case. Open this up. Nope. Inside you will find a myriad of silicone tips ranging in multiple sizes. And here is the cable. Now this is a silver plated cable that's wrapped in nylon and is braided. And as you can see here, it's a tangle monster. So I'm going to unravel this out, and on the end you get a 3.5 millimeter jack, L-shaped, with the little resistor that'll keep it from tearing. So that's everything that comes inside the box. Put all of this stuff to the side, and let's talk about the inner monitors themselves. Now, here they are. Star of the show. Now, fitting the design. Now, I've read and did some research before I made this video, and some people said that they're pretty similar to the Starfield as far as shape. Have a very ergonomic design. They have that same rose gold detailing on the face of the bud. Now, these are made out of metal, as you can see. That's metal. And I got the CP100 Plus from SpinFit. These are made specifically for inner monitors. I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna show you the nozzle. Now this is, they have a 5 millimeter nozzle, and you can see the filters. They don't have a lip, but I've been taking the tips on and off, and I haven't had any problems with them slipping. You got the pins right here, and you got the Aria branding right there. Really nice looking buds. You also have some vents right here and right here. Now, the frequency response on these is 5 hertz to 36,000 hertz. And these do have a 10 millimeter liquid crystal diagram with a dynamic driver inside. And that's I did not know that before I did research on this video. I just like, they got dynamic drivers inside, because I thought maybe they had like they were a dual setup, you know, like one balanced and one dynamic. But wow, the sound. Now, moving into the sound quality. These things are amazing in sound. Just great. The bass kind of sounds a little It's not over the top. Personally, to my ears, they sound like the Soundpeak Sonic Pro, where those have a balanced armature driver where the bass is not that punchy, but it's there. Just imagine you take a little tiny pebble and you drop it into a pond and you see all these little ripples. It's not like, big giant ripples, but it's there, it's present. The mids are very good too, very clear. Male vocals and female vocals come in good, and they have great detail as well. Now, as far as the power, you don't need much to power these. I've been using these just with my smartphone. So I have my Pixel 4a, Pixel game. All you really need is a smartphone. Now, if you want to get a DAC or an amp or a combination of the two, you can get the Ear Studio ES100MK. That's a very good DAC amp. I had it around here oh, here it is. If you want to be extra, as I like to do sometimes, you can use this Ear Studio headphone amplifier / DAC. Plug it in like so, and turn it on, and you'll get even better sound. I'm just really surprised. As a matter of fact, I got my little iPhone dongle right here. You can even power these up with your iPhone. I'm power these up with my 12 Pro. Check these out right quick. You can even power these up with your iPhone. 12 Pro. Check these out right quick. All right, probably would help if I would connect them. Also, this is a universal 0.78 pin. You can pretty much use any type of 78 or 0.78 pin cable with these. Okay, I always have trouble figuring out which one is the left and which one is the right, because also there is no branding for which is left and which is right. So there's that. Okay, this is the left. This is the right. So this should be okay. Let me see if nope, that's wrong. Fail. Okay, here we go. This is the right one. Yep. And this is the left one. I think there's left-right branding on the cable. Let me see. Oh no, I messed up. Oh no, maybe I didn't. Let me see. Hold up. Yep, they fit comfortably in the ear. This cable also comes with a chin strap or chin cinch, like a cowboy hat. Yeah, they fit comfortably in the ear. These spin fit tips work wonderful. All right, let me play some music. If it will play, this never works out the way I want it to when I'm on video. Okay, come on, play. Okay, here we go. Turning it up a little bit. Yeah, I got great bass. Okay. Seems like I got more bass with my iPhone. Ooh. That's rich. Okay. Okay then. Spatial audio is not a gimmick. Oh, wow. All right. Now, in conclusion, if you're on the fence about the Moondrop Starfields, or if you're like me, you're just always catching an L every time I go on Amazon and want to get some, they're always out of stock. Or you try and find an eBay seller, they're always gone. Get these instead. These are the more affordable option to the Starfields anyway. And yeah, these are, man, great sound quality, great fit, great value. So this has been my review of the Moondrop Aria in-ear monitors. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And thank you. So this has been my review